welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Actor Twinkle Khanna recently took to social media to announce that Bollywood khiladi Akshay Kumar has returned home after he was hospitalized for testing positive for COVID-19. Now, while the actor was shooting for Ram Setu, he along with 45 other crew members tested positive for COVID-19, after which the actor got hospitalized as a precautionary measure. Akshay has many films in the pipeline, including his new addition, Raksha Bandhan. As 1991 film Ajuba completed 30 years, actor Amitabh Bachchan took to his blog to share some memories from the movie. He shared multiple pictures of the film's production, stills, posters and even some lighter moments on sets, which also included a picture featuring baby version of actor Ranbir Kapoor when he and his sister Ridhima had visited the film sets with their mother Neetu Kapoor. Now, Ranbir's father, late Rishi Kapoor, was also part of the film, while Shashi Kapoor was directing the film. On the occasion of Yugadi, the makers of Radhe Shyam shared yet another poster of actor Prabhas from the film. Now, the poster shows Prabhas in love-struck pose, while it reads, "Many festivals, one love." The film, directed by Radhakrishnan Kumar, also features Pooja Hegde in the lead role, and it is all set to hit the screens on the 30th of July this year. Wishing happy Yugadi to his fans and followers, legendary filmmaker S.S. Rajamouli shared a new poster from his upcoming film RRR. Now, the poster features Ram Charan and Junior NTR, who are playing the protagonist in the film, while it also features Bollywood stars Ajay Devgan and Alia Bhatt in the lead role. The film is all set to release on the 13th of October later this year. Actor Akshay Khanna and Raveena Tandon have collaborated for a web series titled Legacy. Now, the series will be directed by accidental Prime Minister director Vijay Gadkatte. The filming will begin this year. This will be the first time when Akshay Khanna and Raveena Tandon will be sharing the screen space together. Telugu actor Pawan Kalyan starrer Vakil Saab has set the box office on fire like never before. Now, the film, which is the Telugu remake of Amitabh Bachchan's 2016 courtroom drama Pink, has been doing tremendous business despite all the COVID restrictions and lowest ticket prices in many areas of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. After opening at a stellar 44 crore rupees, Vakil Saab has approximately earned around 45 crore rupees on its third day at the box office. The worldwide box office of this Pawan Kalyan biggie reportedly stands around 100 crore rupees after its opening weekend. While in India, the major rise in the collection has come from Andhra Pradesh, Vakil Saab has been performing phenomenally in the US and UK as well. As the surge in COVID-19 cases has only been increasing with each passing day, many filmmakers have pushed their films from its initial release dates. However, Salman Khan, who is yet to make any changes in his film's release date, had hinted that they might push the film further to next Eid if the situation in Maharashtra and other parts of the country does not get any better. Now, sources reveal that if Radhe won't release on 13th of May, that is Eid weekend, then it might release in July, that will be Bakrid weekend. Now, however, an official confirmation is yet to come in the matter. Darbar fame and filmmaker A.R. Murugadas has now announced a pan-India film titled 1947. Now, the film will be jointly produced by Murugadas and Om Prakash Bhatt. However, it will be directed by filmmaker Pon Kumaran. The film is currently in its pre-production stage. More details are still awaited. Actor Will Smith pulled out of the filming of slavery film Emancipation in Georgia over what the star has called the US state's new regressive voting laws. In a statement, the actor said good conscience provide economic support to a government that enacts regressive voting laws that are designed to restrict voter access. Some feel that the new law will restrict voting by disadvantaged groups. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.